What is up, gang? It's the Advntr Squad.
The battery's about to die.
Back at it again. The battery is about to die. I have just been informed, but that's okay because we're just filming an intro.
Alright, here we are in the cabin, leaving the doors open because it's colder in here than it is outside. And that's let me break the rule. This boy.
By the Old Father, Odin, give me strength! Norska!
Alright. Now this brings back memories.
But I can't eat, I'm losing sleep, I'm missing you. On Sunday, I will make a brand new start. On Sunday, I will fix this broken heart. Maybe I won't be sad.
You're gonna go there and I'm gonna go over there. Hang off the cliff.
That's a bad idea.
Take John's position in the adventure crew. Alright, I'll be right up.
People running off to work. No one sees
Levi disappears in the hole. Okay, bye, Levi.
Picked up a coffee down the street, the place we always used to meet. It's getting cold here in LA. I know it's only been
Look
2
who's
weeks.
just shown up.
I
want to go out there in my bare feet. What's poppin'?
On Sunday, I will make a brand new start. On Sunday, I will fix this broken heart. Maybe I won't be sad.
I'm like,
I'll be okay. I'll find a way.
John, how you feeling, bud?
Did that binder isn't working. See what tomorrow brings. For now, I'm just gonna go try and make the night in the hammock.
Perfect. Going to bed, so good night, boys.
On Sunday, I will make a brand new start. On Sunday.
So now the plan is that we're gonna drive down to the lake, jump in it.
We're gonna die, eh?
Alright. Levi.
Oh, maybe I won't be sad this Sunday.
Bye, cabin.
Alright, you guys have a good one though. Take care. That was a fantastic trip.